the Bearseum Suites in Tagaytay. Let's take a quick tour of the room. Our first room is the Blossomville. Blossomville is a Japanese themed room. Konnichiwa! Blossomville has 3 queen-size beds, which are placed side by side. There is a lot of cherry blossom paintings inside. Why? Because Japan is known for its cherry blossom season every spring. Aside from the beds, there is also a huge pink sofa chair. There is a table with a Bible, lamp, some decorations, and a scrapbook making kit. Every room has these. I will also show you how the comfort room looks like. There are toiletries, and the bowl has a bidet, and of course, there is hot and cold shower. Let's now go to the Woodland. Obviously, the room looks like a jungle. It has a bed, which looks like we're going on a safari. Oh, hello there! The second bedroom is much more simple than the first one, but it also has a queen-size bed. Here is B's favorite section of the Woodland, the panda bedroom. It's so cute! This is perfect for kids or adults like us. It has a double-deck bed with a queen bed and a single-size bed. Here is the comfort room. Just like the first one, it has toiletries, the bowl has a bidet, and of course, hot and cold shower. We found Atlantis! King Triton was there together with Little Mermaid and 2 mermaids. This section has a double bed and 2 mermaid tails. Yes, you can wear them and be a mermaid for a day or a night. You wanna see magic? There it is! If you close the light and open the UV light, you can see the cool paintings. It's like like I'm in the deep, deep, deep ocean, and it's nighttime. The second section made me feel like I am a sailor. There is a double-deck bed, which looks like I'm inside a submarine and I can see these cool, colorful fishes around. Ooh, there's a dolphin. Hi! Did you ever dream of free diving? This diver can guide you on how. Kidding aside, this room will make you feel like you're under the ocean. Just look. Of course, I'm showing you the comfort room again. Let's now feel like a royalty in the Royal Delight room. Well, hello, Your Highness. Can I enter your kingdom? So this is the princess bedroom. It has a double deck with a king-size bed and a single bed. It looks different. It's so cool. Oh wow, this one is cool. It feels like I am Cinderella in this chariot. I hope it won't turn into pumpkin at midnight. The comfort room is just like the same as the others. The next room is the Enchanted Forest. It looks like fairies are guiding us in our sleep. This one is a double-deck bed with 2 single beds, plus an owl to guide you in your sleep. Let's go deeper in the Enchanted Forest. This section has a king-size bed. Just like the other rooms, this has a cool painting on the wall. The bed is a queen-size bed. And here's their comfort room. Let's now leave the Earth and go beyond the stars. The room feels like we are in the outer space. This double deck is so cool. It's like I'm in a space shuttle and I can see the stars and the other planets around. Let us meet the other astronauts. Hello there, teddy bear! This section is big, so it has 2 round, I think it's a king-size bed because it's so huge. Of course, the scrapbook making kit is also here. Finally, here's the comfort room. Do you need more details? Visit our blog for more details. Don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe. Thank you!